In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the FSPY tool into Blender through a few simple steps. Now, if you're eager to enhance your 3D editing experience, particularly by using FSPY for perspective matching between Blender and photographs, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First off, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. If you are unsure which one to use, browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge are highly recommended for their speed and reliability. Once you're in, navigate to the search bar and type in GitHub FSPY. Hit enter, and this will bring you to the search results page. Now, as you examine the results, look toward the top. You'll want to click the first link that appears. It should lead you directly to the official FSPY GitHub repository. This is an important step, as accessing the correct repository ensures that you are downloading the authentic and latest version of the FSPY tool. From here, scroll down the page slightly, and on the right side, you will see an option for latest release version. Go ahead and click it. You'll be directed to a page that contains the latest release details. Here, you'll find a section named Assets. In this section, one of the files listed will be the FSPY Blender zip file. Click on this zip file to download it, and make sure to save it somewhere easy to access. Your desktop is often a convenient choice. Now that we've got the zip file downloaded, we're going to work with Blender. Open Blender on your computer. If you don't have Blender installed yet, you may need to download it from the official Blender website. Once Blender is up and running, take a look at the top menu and find the Edit tab. Click on it, then proceed by clicking on Preferences. A new window will appear. In the left sidebar, you'll see many options. What we are interested in is the Add-ons tab, so go ahead and click it. Look toward the right-hand side of this window and locate a drop-down menu button. Click this, and from the available options, select Install from Disk. Now all you have to do is navigate to where you saved the FSPY Blender zip file. So again, if you saved it on the desktop, it should be an easy find. Once located, click the file and then click the Install from Disk button at the bottom right corner. And finally, after the installation is complete, you'll see an option to enable the add-on. Simply check the box next to it, and voila, you're all set. You've successfully installed FSPY into Blender, ready to enhance your 3D projects. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your workflow a bit smoother. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.